How to install 4-light lawn natural wood chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Adjust wood arms to the equal angle. Fix wood arms with ring and secure them with screws. Pass the fixture wires through upper cover and then screw it onto connector till snug. Fix wood arms with arms cover and flat cover and secure them with ball nut. Adjust arms to the equal angle. Attach quick link to chain and loop on the top of upper cover. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.